But all in all, I don't think it's a too bad of a looking fender. Hi, and welcome back. I think today's video, it's not nice outside, so we're gonna take the fender and try to get the rest of that paint off of it. You can hear the cats are in here. Get the rest of the paint off of it and prime it in that self-etching primer is all I want to do today. I hear you. Still don't know on the door yet. I want to think about it a little bit more, but we'll scrape the fender off, and whatever doesn't come off, I'm just gonna sand it with a little grinder and get some of that etching primer on it. Hopefully cover the whole thing. Don't want to buy any more because that's like $12 can. So we'll get it and get outside. Anyways, might be a short video today. Next few videos may be kind of short. I don't have very much time out here like I thought I would, so gonna condense them down. We may either push the Bronco out or flip it around. I'm wanting to get the passenger side bed sand back down. Get the passenger side bed sand back down and fill in the weld holes a little bit better. Kind of get that taken care of, but I was kind of wanting to do a little bit of stuff that makes me feel like I accomplished something, I guess. Today we're going to concentrate on the fender, getting that done, and then next week we may concentrate on the tub, getting it sanded down and repainted with the self-etching primer. But let's head out there if these guys will let me do anything. All right, we're gonna let that dry for a little bit, but so a little bit here that we need to take off. Probably that little sander. Probably go over this down here a little bit better. Need to get around this pretty good. That thought that stuff would come off already. Now there's a dent right here. We get the right light. You kind of see it right here. Have to pop that back down. I'm gonna have to fix this quite a bit. But my main goal today is to get all this paint off, all this Bondo out, and fill in these holes with weld. Would be awesome. And get a coat of that etching primer on it. But I'm gonna let this sit out here and dry for a little bit. Then I'll come back and wipe it down, and then we'll get to sanding. All right, I say we got it dried off enough. Gonna get a little sander and come get all this stuff off. Feels kind of gummy still, but get it off. Hopefully we can start welding here pretty soon. Have 1, 2, 3, 6 holes to plug. And we'll turn over and get this top, and hopefully we'll be spraying here in a little bit. And that's what it looks like, all sanded down. A little bit of dent there. Of course, that pop out here, a bunch of Bondo down here to do something with that. I think there's a dent right in here too. And then all those dents down there. But all in all, I don't think it's a too bad of a looking fender. I'm gonna let it dry off again. Well, I think that'll do it for me today. So we didn't get to weld up or put some self-etching primer on the fender. We'll do that next time for sure. With the fender kind of buttoned up, and then may take the door off the take the hinges off, pull the door off, flip this around, kind of look at the passenger side a little bit, and might start sanding down again the passenger side rear tub and get that kind of prepped, because I like to put some of the self-etching primer on it as well, and touch up the spot where the holes we filled in with weld. Try to touch those up a little bit better. The same way on this side, I need to touch these up a little bit better. But we may look at that next time. Hopefully next time I'll have this more picked up. But yeah, next time we'll jump back on the fender and bring in the garage, and then first thing, weld up holes, etching primer, and then we'll see if we have enough. But we may go ahead and start sanding, like I said, the back of the body again. Anyways, thank you for watching me this far. Kind of boring stuff, but I do want to use that fender again, so we need to get it fixed and ready. It's kind of what we do. If you like what you see, please like, comment, subscribe. I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Do something with the Bronco. Like I said, next time we'll finish up the fender, welding up the holes, and then hitting it with some self-etching primer. And if we got enough time, we might flip the Bronco around and start looking at the passenger side, the door pillar and the door fitment. Kind of see where we're at on that, and may start sanding down the back side, maybe even inside the cab here. Something needs to be done as well. So might be a lot of sanding in the near future. Kind of getting everything down to metal. May start using that stripping gel a lot more. Like I said, we could use on the inside here and get it pretty good. So I know there's some patch pieces we need to make for the back bed. But anyways, thank you again. Hope you had a good day, and I'll see you next time.